This is our RCPS Works Student Job Fair. And so we couldn't be any more proud of this day. We have over 80 employers here that are interviewing kids, giving kids some information about their businesses, and then kids can interview on the spot for jobs, for internships, externships.
We're very excited. We have a great group of employers here and a large variety of career options for these students.
And so we're setting up these pathways and opportunities for our students because we know that when we can keep them connected to things that are positive and productive, that they're staying safe in that way, and they're learning so many valuable skills.
Dr. White has had a desire, as she has shared, her vision for Roanoke City Public Schools is for our students to graduate with a diploma and with a resume. And this is where you build that resume. With these career choices, the kids can try out different types of careers. They can find these things that will help them to build those things to add to their resume. And they may even find their long-term employers here. So there's just a lot of things.
A day like this doesn't just happen, right? There's a lot of planning, organizing, and prep work that goes into this. And so when I say that I'm proud of our staff, I'm proud because we had to teach our students how to show up for an interview. So we are teaching them interview skills, teaching them how to dress for success.
Dress to impress. First impressions are always a good thing. You know, you don't want to come out the house looking, you know, not kind of crazy, couldn't get the job. So came outside, you know, I had to get myself together, you know what I'm saying, get put together, and came out here hopefully looking for jobs. I'm about to graduate, so I need another job than what I currently work at, and just to explore more jobs and varieties out there for me.
With a lot of these employers, even with their name, until the students stop and talk to them, they really don't know what's behind that name and what kind of career options are available and what kind of pay is available for them as well.
So you come here, you find all these other places that you didn't know were hiring, so you can get more acceptance and more opportunities for coming here.
As we walk around, you can hear the employers asking the students what their interests are, what experience they might have, and then you hear our students asking good questions too. Tell me more about your company. Tell me what you offer. And so they're kind of interviewing each other.
I'm glad this job fair is here to help me, and it also helps other people that's my age in my community that may need a job. So it's very helpful for the community.
I sincerely want to thank our employers for not just showing up last year, but coming back in full force this year. All of our new employers who have joined us this year, thank you to our parents for supporting this effort and for encouraging our students to look ahead so that they can stay safe by staying connected.